Hello, this is the demo of my Android final project. It's called Hoop Garden. It is a basketball training app, and it is mainly based off of another app called Strava, which is for running, and it kind of has this timeline feature where you can see your friends' workouts, and you can complete your own workouts as well. So it's modeled after that. Um, but basically, here we have the timeline. This is one of the main pieces of functionality. It's a shared timeline, so it kind of collects out of all your friends the most recent workouts, and it displays them here. You can go in and click and see, what they did in the workout. This guy did a bunch. You know, just give some more detail on click. These buttons don't work. It's just didn't get around to that actual functionality, but it's nice for looks. So yeah, that's one main pillar of functionality, the shared timeline object, where when you complete your workouts, it'll go here and you can view them. You can see the different users. There we have the Aaron user, this guy, and it'll share it live. So that's cool. And also you don't have to refresh, it'll automatically come up. So that's nice. Next up, another big piece of functionality is the calendar view. Workouts also get stored on the calendar, and you can see here these are only your own workouts. And you can go into more depth view. It's the same component basically, just slightly more compacted. This alert dialog can be kind of weird. But yeah, so same component, just with some compaction. And yeah, you can, so I've only worked out one day, but you can go between the days and, general calendar view. This is a component I found and stylized a little bit to add in my own functionality, of course. But next we have, also originally I was going to have a week mode. I did have it, but it was just, the screen just feels too small for it. So I decided the month view is just, makes more sense. It's just the width is strange on, the phone. Next up, we have another big piece of functionality for adding drills. Drills basically make up the workout. Here I kind of have a garbage drill that was just some garbage value, so let's delete it. Let's add a drill. We'll add two drills. We'll add layup. Shooting, we'll save it. And let's add in one more. Add in 3-pointer. Oh, 4-pointer. All right. Oops. You know what? Let's keep it. And obviously you can do things like search if you have a ton of drills, some basic functionality. You can come in and edit it if you want, delete it, doesn't matter. Let's test, just make sure I'm not lying. If I save it. And also I apologize, my computer is very slow. And it's still there. Yeah. It is on its last leg, so if you see some lag, I apologize. Now let's go to workouts. So this is another main piece of functionality. You can create a new workout. We'll call it demo 2. This is my second demo. I noticed some bad things in the first one, so made some improvements. Test. All right. Let's hit next. Let's add some drills. So we already added those drills before. Let's add the 4-pointer, of course. Add in layup. And you can delete them, and if I come in here, I can add another set. Let's save that. And if I come back, it's still there. Nice. Let's save that workout. Looks good enough to me. And you can do the same thing with workouts. You can do drills. You can edit them again, delete them. And then, of course, we have the play button. So just start the drill. It gives you an overview. We have these two. If we start the drill, we can come in here and, let's start checking these off. You can say, like, if, for example, I didn't actually do this one, I'll just exit. So this one, I did 12. Those ones I didn't do. And this one's easy, so I'm going to do 120. 20. Let's give it a check mark. All right, and then also one thing to note, if I leave, my active workout is still playing, I get a floating action button, I can always come back to it. And, we'll go back to our drills, and, it's all there. So let's finish it. Looks good enough to me. Let's add a note for our workout. This will post to the timeline. Good workout. Let's submit it. Get a nice animation. And if we come to timeline, it should be there eventually. Oh, I need to add some feature to auto scroll to the top. And yeah, that looks like it was it. Good workout. Let's see, it's so slow. I apologize. Alright, it's got the 4-pointer. Yeah, I skipped those ones. That's right. Yep. Okay, nice. And it's got the target reps and the actual. Alright, we're now going to log in as a new user that we shared the workout with, and we're just going to check out and see how it's looking. And here we'll go. So we got new workouts loaded, or new timeline items loaded, and we'll go here and we'll go check our shared workouts. And demo 2, that's the one we just created. So let's go edit this again. So I think I already edited it, but I had my computer kind of crashed, as I said. It's kind of slow, so we'll just edit it again, and we'll be able to see the changes on the other account. Let's add in a 3-pointer and a 4-pointer. So let's say workout. So now we have all these. And yeah, let's go log out again. And we'll now go as another user, test. We also shared the workout with. And he should now see those updates as well. Alright, and let's come over to workouts and let's just double check that it actually has a safe state. So this guy was already in shared workouts before, so let's go check this out. So shared workout, let's go. Okay, yep, it looks like it got edited. And yeah, new workouts are on there, so that's great. Nice. And this guy's got different workouts, of course. He's got a little more, and we can go share this workout too, if we want to. And this guy's only got one friend. Let's go share that. Cool. And it's there, new workout. Just took a second to load. But yeah, so now it's there. And let's go log out and create a new user to show the final piece of functionality. Let's go sign up. Okay, cool. I didn't even notice it was already there. Oops. All right. User. Let's just call him user. User@gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Create account. Okay, and now let's go here. So obviously we don't have any friends, and there's user. Let's go add a friend. We got no friends currently. And let's go add myself. Nice, and now I'm there. And if I come in and create a workout and go share it. Let's go new workout, final. I got no drills, so I'm just gonna save, do it empty, and let's share that. And there it is. And if I delete this one's still here, so we can still have the shared workout. So those are the basic piece of functionality. As a recap, we have the timeline. You can see if completed workouts are done. We have the calendar view. Shows your done workouts. We have drills. We have the workouts where you can share workouts, create workouts, run workouts that show up on the timeline calendar. And then, of course, we have the ability to add friends, and that's how you would share the workout. And yeah, those are the basic pieces of functionality we have in our app. Thank you for watching.